Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you so much for tuning in to my 2179th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. Traders, again, thank you for tuning in. This video, very exciting in my opinion, coming at you on a Tuesday night for trading Tuesday night through Wednesday. That's October 21st, 2020. I've got some topics to cover on the board, but before I get there, you must know that trading is risky. Trading futures, options, ETFs, you name it, buy them, sell them. I don't care how you play it these days. There's huge risk, huge volatility. Please know that this is not suitable for all traders, and never trade without stops. Put the stops in first, and then you're safe, or just about safe, when you put your trades on. So what is on this board for trading on the 21st? This is the 21st, right? Yes, okay. The head and shoulders that I've shown you in the last video, good timing on that because the market dropped for several days right afterwards, is still present on the charts. However, number two, for trading Tuesday night through Wednesday, the Omni turned from red to neutral in both OMNI, S&P, and NASDAQ. It only remains red in the Russell 2000. While that's trying to work itself out, and we'll find out if the market's going to crack due to that head and shoulders or somehow we survive and it just goes above, I've got something else really important to show you. In fact, very important. Let's see if I can think back and close my eyes. July. Sometime in July or August, I did a video, maybe it's August, I did a video for you and I called it, Is a Whiff of Inflation Coming Our Way? And I showed you a bunch of charts and the dollar index. Well, here we are just a few months later, and I am telling you right now, a whiff of inflation is coming our way, and we're going to call this video, Is This a Whiff of Inflation Coming? Part 2. Now, I've got some great charts I want to show you. I don't want to waste any time. Please make sure you subscribe to these videos. If you like the chart segment, join me at livewithoscar.com in my free trading room. No credit cards, no nonsense are required. Just come in and join. And with no further ado, let's go look at some charts. Okay, traders, first of all, the head and shoulders that I pointed out when we were up here at the failed head test has produced some downside so far, right? So far, so good. Now, I'm not saying that this has to happen. We're just watching it every day. And the Omni does flip because it's a day trading machine from bullish to bearish or buy to sell. So we'll take our signals along the way. Keep this in mind. It is working itself out. If this is right, that means the market will proceed lower, even if it has a few up days. So we'll see, one day at a time. And then if you look at its sister, the Russell 2000, you had a flat top-ish look. I call that a flat top. The market broke down from the flat top so far as day traders. It is now below this channel. And the Omni has not gone neutral yet like it did in S&P and NASDAQ. It is still remaining red. So we will try to sell rallies in the Russell for trading on Tuesday night through Wednesday. But now it's going to get a little quicker. Traders, remember, a whiff of inflation is one coming. And I started to show you some commodity markets that were just starting to take off. Now we're going to look at some of them again. This is soybeans. Look at the run. I'll tell you right now, whenever you look at a chart and it starts down here and it works its way all the way up there, that's bullish, kids, no matter what anyone tells you. That's a bull market. So, soybeans has been in the bull market. We had a nice bull flag. It worked. Now we've got a bull pennant and a green Omni for trading on Wednesday. Wheat, look at that one. It's had a nice fat rally. Look at soy meal. What a monster rally soy meal has had. Now, all of these markets do create inflation. They're used in foodstuffs and plastics. They're used in rubber. They're used all over the planet. Corn. Look at the massive rally corn has had, and it's above its previous highs. Right? It didn't stop for the double top, went through it, and it's still spending a bunch of bars up here. Corn, nice rally. Another commodity priced in dollars. Oats. Who even cares about oats except for maybe horses? And look at this rally that we've had. Even oats has joined in. Cotton. Look at this. And this has been solid and steady all year, the cotton. Look at that nice rally. And, of course, cotton's in everything that we wear, right? Sugar. Look at the run sugar has had. It just keeps on going. Crude oil. Crude oil has finally come from the depths of where it was for a while after that big crack we had, and it's finding its way back up. What else is happening out there? Natural gas, which used to be $200 a barrel or somewhere, $2 a barrel, $2.20, is all the way up to $3.30 a barrel. That is a major run, or I should say, per unit. Copper, daily bar. Look at the massive run Dr. Copper has had, priced in dollars, right? The euro currency, look at this nice run up in euro. Now, it's not like Europe's doing better than the U.S., but euro currency, look at how smart that rally has been. And the Canadian dollar has enjoyed a rally. Look at this, all the way up so far. All of this has been brought to you by the dollar index, which has been dropping for a long time. That helps the stock market go up, as it's done for quite some time, while it goes down, and it also makes commodities get more expensive, which creates inflation. The dollar looks bearish here, looks like it wants to go lower. That will make the other markets go higher, and if there is a stimulus package agreed upon, another package means more printing of U.S. dollars, more dollars in the system. That means dollars go lower, and those markets I just showed you continue to go higher. I hope that helps. Take a look at these markets for yourselves as time passes, especially if we get more stimulus. That means more dollars in the system. That means dollars lower, and all of those commodity markets priced in dollars, which create inflation, move higher. Traders, you've seen the charts. That, my friends, is a whiff of inflation coming at us, part 2. Showed this to you in the end of July, beginning of August, and said, look what's starting to happen. That's an update. It hasn't gone away. We'll see what that means in the future. We're day traders. We'll take it one day at a time. I just wanted to present that to you. What you will do with that information, of course, that's up to you, but I wanted you to see it. Traders, thank you for tuning in. Again, join me at livewithoscar.com. Subscribe to my videos. Thank you very much for watching them. Leave comments, and I promise I'll reply. And I will see you all at livewithoscar.com. Now, there's something that you can do to try to keep your emotions out of this game. Believe me, I know that's not easy. These markets are flying around. Money is large. Margins are gigantic. So, put your stops in first to help calm the nerves. Then, say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening. And I hope by now you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Thank you for tuning in, traders. Thank you guys for helping me out. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided.